Pretty bad right here at the corner of Jackson and Ritchie, where we got a Pasadena fire truck stalled out in the middle of the road. It's got a wrecker hooked up. They're trying to pull it out of here. This fella just opened up his store and it's flooded. It's got items all over the floor. If you look at the beauty salon here, water just flowing out of the front door. It's just pouring out water level inside the store. You can get down here to it. This is their door. Looks like there's maybe 12 inches of water in the store. Walk over here and look inside the windows. Things are just totally, chairs up on their ends, couches flipped over, like a tsunami has hit Pasadena.
Right here on Richard and Jackson, huh?
Say that one more time.
Right here on Richard and Jackson, huh? A tsunami, huh?
It looks that way.
I know that. It's all cool.
Oh, I'm recording. Yes, I am.
I know that's right. It's good though.
You got.
I can't open the door. Right?
Can't open the door because things are just literally
Just wash it out.
underwater. Things just washing out.
See if I open it real quick. See
Don't open it. We don't want to flood the